Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a pretty quick video. I'm going to be installing the Uniflex module and ethanol sensor into my RS3. The goal with this is that I can look on the app and see what blend of ethanol is in the car. So it's going to be the first of many mods that are being installed over the next couple weeks. So let's get started. So here's everything that's included in the kit. It has a bracket, the ethanol sensor, the fittings for the fuel lines, as well as the clamps. Inside the box, it has the Uniflex module itself, as well as all the wiring that makes it plug and play. So we're going to start with the fuel line first. So I have everything pretty much done. Just want to show you how it all works. So underneath this connector right here is a 10mm nut that holds this in. You undo this clip. You're going to pull the fuel line off. I cut 4 inches of the fuel line out right there. Clean the fuel line afterwards on the inside so that way there's nothing inside the fuel lines. While you do this, you want to make sure that you have the battery unplugged so the fuel pump does not prime. Here you can see the bracket installed with the module. It's a 13mm to undo this bolt, and these are 2.5mm Allens that hold this module and bracket in. Here's the wiring that goes from the back side. As you can see, it's pretty tight, but it does not touch. I just bent it down there. You'll take this wiring, run it right up through, right up here. To do that, you'll have to remove this panel. It's held on by 3 plastic rivets. So once this is up, you can see the clip that's undone back there. That clip will go into this side of the harness, and then this clip will go into that module that's back there. Here you can see everything is clipped in back there. Now I will take the excess harness, run it up underneath, tuck it in back in that little compartment. Put this panel back on and everything will be set. Here's the finished install. Sensors back there. Wires tucked up in. And it's ready to go. Pretty easy installation. Everything's done. It took me an hour or less to do this whole installation. Everything's fairly plug and play except for where you have to cut the fuel line to install the sensor. For me, I think this is the best way to read the ethanol content on the 8Y RS3. It's plug and play, as well as being able to fully integrate when Unitronic does have flex fuel tuning for this car. The app is really nice, so I'll show you guys what the app looks like right now. If you can, hit that like button and subscribe for future updates. Here's the application. So once you load it up, you have to connect to the device. Once connected, it'll show you the ethanol percentage. Here's a mix calculator. So if you wanted to run, say, E25, you would just put in how many gallons the fuel tank is, what the ethanol content is for the gas, as well as the E85. And it'll tell you exactly how many gallons of ethanol you need to blend in with your 93.